वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पढ़ा था, जिसमें हमने आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम और ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो के बारे में बताया था। आज के वीडियो में हम उस एक्सरसाइज 8.1 को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या कह रहा है? इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी राइट at angled B तो देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। अच्छा, दिया क्या है? ए बी इज इक्वल टू 24 सेंटीमीटर एंड बी सी इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड डिटरमाइन क्या करना है? साइन ए, साइन सी एंड कॉस सी। अगर मुझे इसको डिटरमाइन करना है तो सबसे पहले मुझे ये हाइपोटेनस निकालना पड़ेगा। यहाँ राइट एंगल एट बी दिया हुआ है, हाइपोटेनस कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा। तो मैं कैलकुलेट करने जा रहा हूँ। इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम we can say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB means 24 whole square and BC means 7 whole square. Clear? AC square 24 whole square is equal to 576 and plus 7 7 जा 49. AC square is equal to 625. AC is equal to under root 625 means AC is equal to 25 unit. Clear? It means we can say hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Now coming to the question, the first question is asking about sin A. In previous lecture we know that if we are talking about angle A, this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base, and we know that sin A is equal to P by H. It means perpendicular by hypotenuse. For angle A, this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. This will be BC by AC. It means 7 upon 25. In very similar manner, cos A is equal to B by H and the base of this is AB from angle A and hypotenuse is AC. It will be 24 by 25. For the second question, sin C, we also know that it will be the P by H and perpendicular by hypotenuse. But from C, if we talk from C, the perpendicular will be changed. The perpendicular becomes AB and hypotenuse become AC. It means 24 by 25, and in same way cos C is equal to, we know that B by H. We are talking from angle C, then this will be the base for angle C and this will be it will BC upon AC. It means 7 by 25. This all will be the trigonometrical ratio. Okay, in next question, the question is asking about tan P minus cot R from figure. From figure you can calculate the base and then you can calculate tan P and cot R, means you can solve by these methods, and you can also solve question number 3, 4 and 5 in the similar way. So now we are going to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is saying if angle A is and angle B are acute angle, means angle A and angle B acute है, C पे right angled है, और cos A is equal to cos B, then so that angle A is equal to angle B. चलिए, गिवन क्वांटिटी क्या है? गिवन क्वांटिटी है cos A is equal to cos B. फर्स्टली वी विल कैलकुलेट कॉस ए। कॉस ए अगर हम देखें तो हम इस एंगल से बात करेंगे, एंड कॉस ए की फॉर्मूला जानते हैं हम, यानी कि इट इज़ द रेशियो बिटवीन बेस एंड हाइपोटेनस। तो मैं कह सकता हूँ यहाँ से मैं कैलकुलेट करने वाला हूँ, तो इसके अपोजिट ये परपेंडिकुलर होगा, ये बेस होगा एंड ये हाइपोटेनस होगा। इट मीन्स इजिली आई कैन से कॉस ए इज इक्वल टू ए सी अपॉन ए बी, एंड इफ वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट कॉस सी, देन कॉस सी के लिए अगर मैं ये लूँगा तो यहाँ से ये P बन जाएगा एंड ये क्या बन जाएगा, ये B बन जाएगा, ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा B में, ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा S, तो सेम रहता है। तो इस हिसाब से cos C की जो वैल्यू होगी वो B/H जो मैं निकालूंगा, तो बेस क्या बन जाएगा, बेस बन जाएगा BC एंड हाइपोटेनस इज AC। फ्रॉम अबव, from equation 1 we can say, from equation 1 we can say AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AC. AC will be cancelled out and this will become AC is equal to BC, and if AC is equal to BC, then we can write angle A is equal to angle B. Why? Because opposite angle of equal sides is also equal. Then this is proved. Right? Okay. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज वेरी इजी. cot theta is equal to 7/8. Then you are going to calculate, evaluate it. Then cos theta is given. You can calculate sin theta, cos theta, or and put the value and solve it. You can solve it. Okay. Going to next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. If you have any doubt in any questions, you can comment the question. We will try our best to answer your question. Okay. We are going to solve question number 8. Question number 8. The given condition is free cot A is equal to 4. Check whether, check 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. The given condition is given cot A is equal to, free cot A is equal to C. It means cot A is equal to 4/3, and we know that the condition of cot is the ratio between B and P. It means this will be 4 unit and this will be 3 unit. Okay. It means you can say AC is equal to 4K, either 4 unit and BC is equal to 3 unit. By Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus, wait, not AC square, it will be AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. It means AB square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. AB square is equal to 16 plus 9. AB is equal to under root 25. AB is equal to Okay, this will be 5 unit. It means AB will be 5 unit. Now we want tan A, cos A and sin A. We can say tan A is equal to, we know that it is P by B and perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. Sin A, we know that P by H, it will be 3 by 5. Cos A is equal to B by H, it will be 4 by 5. Now taking left hand side, it is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Calculating it, putting the value, इसको मैं रेज कर रहा हूँ. Putting the value, we know 1 minus tan is 3 by 4, it means it will be 3 by 4 whole square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. We can write it 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 1 plus 9 by 16. It will be 16 minus 9 upon 16 plus 9 upon 16. 16 minus 9 will be 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. 16 to 16 cancel, it will be 7 by 25. Now calculating right hand side, it is RHS cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square means 4 by 5 whole square minus sin square A means 3 by 5 whole square. This will be 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. This will be 16 minus 9 by 25 and 7 by 25. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means the question is verified. Okay. Going to next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, it means A and C, given if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Okay. If the given value is tan A is equal to 1 by under root 3, we know that tan A is equal to P by B. P by B means this will be 1 unit and this will be under root 3 unit. This will be 1 unit and this will be under root 3 unit. For finding this value, we have to calculate AC. So, in triangle ABC by Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to under root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. It will be 3 plus 1. It means AC is equal to under root 4. AC is equal to 2 unit. This will be 2 unit. Now we need sin A. For sin A, we know that it is P by H. From talking about here, it will be the perpendicular and this will be the hypotenuse. We are talking about cos A, it is b by h, this will be under root 3 by 2. Now sin C, it means we are talking from there, it means the perpendicular will be under root 3 and cos C is equal to 1 by 2. Now sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. We can solve it. Sin A, the value of sin A is equal to 1 by 2 into cos C. Cos C is also 1 by 2 plus cos A is 3 by 2 into sin C, it is under 3 by 2. This will be 1 by 4 plus this will be 3 by 4. 1 plus 3 by 4, it means 4 by 4, cancel out 1. In very similar manner, you can solve second question of this question. Okay, going to the next question, question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, in this question, first of all, you will find out, I am giving you idea about only idea of this solution. You can try. The triangle is PQR. Okay, the given question is PR plus QR is equal to 25 and PQ is equal to 5. It means PQ is given 5 centimeter and this question is, and this portion is all, it means sum of PR and QR is 25. Let's, this will be X, then automatically this will be 25 minus X. After it, you can solve by Pythagoras theorem and calculate the value of X, and later on you can determine all the values. And the next question is true false. You will try this question and comment it answer into the comment box, and if you are having trouble in it, I will solve it in next video. चलिए वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और अपने आंसर को कमेंट करिए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.